cannot tell you how humbling it is to stand here with our plaintiffs, our friends, our colleagues, before you to represent equality, decency, respect, and all the values that go with being a citizen of the ideal that we believe in the United States, and the relationship between two individuals when they choose to spend their life together in marriage. The Supreme Court over and over again has said that marriage is a fundamental right, the most fundamental relationship in our country. It is a matter of your individual liberty, your privacy, your right of association, your intimacy, the way you build your dreams. Marriage is fundamentally valuable to our citizens and to our people. And the state of California, when Proposition 8 was enacted, decided that that relationship, the most fundamental relationship in America, could be taken away from some of our citizens on the basis of their choice, on the basis of the gender of the person that they chose to be with, on the basis of their sexual orientation, and set some of our citizens, our brothers and our sisters, and our co-workers and our neighbors into a separate class of Californians. And the ballot proposition that supported Proposition 8 said we must protect our children from thinking that gay people could get married. The message was to protect our children from people who are gay or lesbian, because that relationship is strange or unworthy or dangerous or subversive or wrong. That is the message that was the part of the ballot measure that was given, the educational documents that were given to every citizen who voted for Proposition 8 or went to the ballot box that day. That we must protect our citizens from people who would have this loving, fundamental relationship as a part of our neighborhoods, our communities, our building blocks. That is the message that was sent. We are, as you've heard today, at a point where we are at a first step. We're a part of the way to the end. But it is a very, very important first step.
Yes. Yes.
I can't overstate how important this step is. The people that brought us together, Rob Reiner and Michelle Reiner are here tonight.
Yeah!
Bruce Cohen, Lance Black, Chad Griffin, many people decided that the challenge to Proposition 8 that was brought to the California Supreme Court did not have a chance of winning because it was challenging a constitutional amendment as violating the Constitution, and that the real challenge ought to be the real wrong with Proposition 8, which is the denial of fundamental rights and equality and decency and fairness and equal citizenship to our citizens. That's a federal constitution. That is the challenge that had to be brought. This is a legal battle, but it's also a political battle. It's also a battle for education, changing the minds of people in America, changing the people, the ideas and concepts that are in the minds of people who voted for Proposition 8. And I will tell you that I am firmly convinced that after a year and a half of the battle that we started, attitudes have changed, minds have changed, people would vote differently today.